Only 10 days of JEE Mains 2026 April attempt are remaining. Boards were there, time is very less. Now you have to study effectively to get 99 percentile. And from that analysis, I'm going to provide you the clear-cut idea what you have to study to score how much. You know, till now, boards were there, time is very less. Now you have to study effectively to get 99 percentile. In this discussion, I have made a selection of the topics, okay, for you to get 99 percentile with lesser efforts. Okay, so I have analyzed all the questions that appeared in the April attempt, okay, and from that analysis, I am going to provide you the clear-cut idea what you have to study to score how much. Okay, so let us do that. And this analysis will certainly help you to boost your score, okay, at whatever level you are. Now see this. This is the list one of the topics. Okay. So here total number of questions appeared from each chapter. These are the highest weightage topics. Okay. So from current electricity 20 questions appeared. Modern physics also 20 questions appeared. Rotation 19 we are having. Then ray optics 19 we are having. Thermo plus KTG 17 we are having. Units and measurements 15 total. Potential and capacitance 15, EMI 11, wave optics 11, fluids 10, EM waves 10 questions, and semiconductor 10 question. If we see the weightage of these all the topics is almost 70%. It means if you study these chapters, if these topics are well prepared, you don't have any backlog in any of the subtopic, you can easily get 70 marks out of 100. What does it mean? 70 marks means 99 percentile in physics. Okay, 70 marks in physics means 99 percentile. Okay, let us be on the safer side. Let us target 75 marks for the April attempt. Okay, so let us target 75 marks. Now, you can study these. Now, you may say, sir, few of the topics like rotation or maybe, you know, if you are not much familiar with any of the other topic, maybe thermodynamics or like that, may appear difficult for you. But I'll provide that help also. Okay, what you have to exactly study from these chapters, that I'll also show you. Now, second is the rest 30 marks lies here in these chapters. Okay, laws of motion is there, kinematics includes both straight line and plane. Okay, moving charges and magnetism, then work, energy, power, SHM, electric charges and fields, thermal properties of matter, gravitation, AC, center of mass, collision, solids, and magnetism. We had 2 questions, so you may even skip that if you want. Okay, solids, only Young's modulus was asked. Okay, if you want to do, just do only Young's modulus from here. Okay, means the longitudinal thing only. Okay, how much is the elongation there? Okay, how much force is there? How much stress is there? These type of things. Then at least from these, you can do the, you can say, those topics which are high weightage. These are the topics: laws of motion, kinematics, waves, and moving charges and magnetism. Other ones are having lesser weightage. Now, if you see, getting 99 percentile is not a big task, isn't it? These chapters, how many topics? Current electricity, 1 chapter. Modern physics, we have 3 chapters, but not much lengthy. Easily you can prepare modern physics. Rotation, from rotation I'll tell you what all was asked. Ray optics, yes, it is a bigger chapter. Thermodynamics and KTG. From KTG 3 questions were there. Okay, the rest of the questions were from thermodynamics. Units and measurements, the simplest thing, 15 questions are coming. Okay, potential and capacitance. Okay, from capacitance, you know, capacitors with dielectrics. This is the, you can say, most asked thing from capacitance. And other questions from potential, I think 9 questions were there from potential. EMI, electromagnetic induction, 11 questions. Straightforward topic. Wave optics is also easy topic. I'll say fluid, 10 questions. Simple things was asked from fluids. EM waves, simplest of the chapters, 10 question. Semiconductor, only 3 things are asked from semiconductor. Simple diode circuits, next was our Zener diode, and next was the logic gates. These 3 things are asked. Okay, now let us see that from the topics. Rotation, okay, these questions. If you see moment of inertia, 7 questions. Very simple, straightforward topic. Okay, at least you can do. Torque is very simple. Rotational kinetic energy, frictionless pulley and block things also you can do. From fluids, you see Archimedes, one question was the terminal velocity. We had 4 questions, just formula based thing it is. Thermodynamics, you see the analysis, first law of the thermodynamics for different type of processes. KTG, we have mean free path, RMS speed, simplest of the things. Then potential, okay, these things are asked. From capacitor, you can say capacitance with dielectric is the most asked thing. From current electricity, you see Wheatstone bridge, 4 questions, simplest of the topics. Okay, potentiometer, 3 question. Equivalent resistance, 4 questions. Simple things are asked. Okay, power, 3 questions. Then EMI, you see Faraday's law, motional EMF. What is difficult? Now from EM waves, property of EM waves, very easy. Okay, other things also, intensity formula you can remember. Okay, Maxwell equation, the standard equations you can remember. That's all. Then from ray optics, you see prism, simplest of the things, finding the minimum deviation and all. 5 question, lenses 6 question, TIR 2 question, microscope questions are just formula based, 2 questions were there. And then you see from wave optics, okay, YDSE 6 question. Semiconductor, only 3 things as I was saying. Okay, logic gates, a diode circuit and Zener diode. That's all, 10 questions. Now the thing is, to get 99 percentile is not a difficult task, provided your preparation is guided. You prepare the right topics, you spend the right amount of time on the right topics. Okay, now few of the things which you must do now, if you have prepared all these things very nicely, few of the things which you must do is important PYQs. Okay, we have conducted marathons on our channel of the important PYQs. You can take help from them. Okay, there is a good collection of PYQ for each of the topic, for physics, chemistry and math. Okay, and then 2026 Gen attempt PYQs. Here you are having 250 questions. This is must to do. Okay, this is must to do. Okay, and if you are having any of the backlogs in any of the high weightage or moderate weightage topics, I have made a video on how to cover backlogs, okay, on this channel only. So from there you can see which all subtopics you have to properly cover from, you know, the chapter which are having, you can say, lengthy things, few of the things which are most asked. So those things you can prepare, that will help you to cover the backlogs. Okay, and yes, this is the most important thing, and you have time, then go for the important PYQs also. Okay, so all the best for the April attempt. Thank you all. Bye bye.